Indian journalist and media personality Sudhir Chaudhary has once again grabbed the headlines since he announced his decision of joining the Hindi news channel Aaj Tak as a consulting editor. The news was shared by Vice Chairperson of the India Today Group, Kalli Puri, in an internal communication. Sudhir Chaudhary belongs to the first generation of television journalists and began working in the news and media industry in the 1990s. He began his career with live television reporting and then switched to 24 hours news television. He left Zee News in 2003 but later rejoined it in 2012 and began hosting the news show Daily News and Analysis, which is an award-winning, high-engagement and TRP record-setting show. He has once again left Zee News and is all set to join Aaj Tak and bring an exciting new show anchored by him for the viewers. Landing into controversies is not new for a news anchor like him. Various lawsuits have been filed against him in all these years. In November 2012, Chaudhary and his colleague Sameer Ahluwalia were arrested and sent to Tihar jail on charges of extortion after businessman Naveen Jindal alleged that the two journalists had tried to extort 100 crore worth of advertisements from his company in exchange for dropping stories that linked the Jindal group with the Colgate scam. They were later released on bail. TMC MP Mahua Moitra also filed a criminal defamation case against Sudhir Chaudhary after he accused her of plagiarizing speech of Truman Longman, pointing out early signs of fascism, an accusation which both Mahua and Truman denied. On 10th April 2020 on Zee News, Chaudhary openly accused Muslims of impeding India's coronavirus war. Amid all these controversies, Sudhir Chaudhary has got death threats too. In 2015, Sudhir Chaudhary got X-category security after allegations that someone had threatened to murder Chaudhary. It was also claimed by Zee News that China had been monitoring Chaudhary. Sudhir Chaudhary is a household name in news, and the Sudhir Aaj Tak collaboration is being eagerly awaited.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.